guys, I'm Kai from EAATA, and today we are here to do the key programming for this GM Suburban 2023. For this procedure, it's very important to have a power supply on the battery, our new key, and our VCI connected to the car. Okay, for this procedure, we go for EMO, we search for GM, okay, now it's connecting to the VCI. We go for automatic detection, automatic, yes. We turn ignition on. We choose the car we are in, it's a Suburban, so we choose yes. BCM, it will collect data from the car right now. We go for special functions, intuitive key matching, it's a smart key, and we want to add a smart key. All keys should be here, okay. So we just press OK. Make sure the ignition is on. So ignition is on. We open and close the door. Now with this code, we do the calculation. So we press OK. We will put the code right now. We need to wait for the second code. There it is. Now we go for the second code. So now we need to wait, and this time the device asks us to wait is the security login. Once those minutes go 0, we can start the key programming. To do the key programming, we need to put the new key here on this first spot. Okay, now we are going for the last 30 seconds. So you want to program more keys? Yes, I want. The new key we place on the cup holder, first cup holder. The other keys we take out from the car and we press OK. We press once, start stop, OK. Key program, 3 keys. Before we had 2 keys and now we have 3 keys. So we don't want to program any other key. So press no. We press and hold the button for 16 seconds. We just wait. We just need to wait the last 90 seconds. So that's it. The procedure is 100% finished. So let's test the keys. Let's try to start the car. So that's the new key, no logo. We turn off the ignition. Test the remote. Remote is working as well. That was the procedure, very easy as you guys could see. Here we have both keys. Let's try it again. Alright, the new key, no logo, let's put here, and the old key is working as well. That was a procedure with our device EAATA 360PRO, the only device doing the GM CANFD.